Today I'm going to be reviewing this small pet blanket. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. I did leave it in the package because I wanted to give you a clear view of what that looks like. So as you can see, it comes neatly wrapped in a plastic wrapper like this. So let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic and let's check it out. Look at how nice this pet blanket is. I absolutely love the colorful little paws that it has. It is so nice and soft. The great thing about this pet blanket is that it is available in a variety of colors. So definitely check all the different colors that are available. So nice and soft. I'll give you a closer look. Take a look. That is one side. This other side is like a fluffier side of the blanket. And this is a nice solid side. As you can see here, it does have the name of the brand. Super cute. This is a 40 by 28 inch. So take a look. This is how wide it is. And then let me show you this side. So my dog is a medium-sized dog, so this is perfect for my doggy. This is a waterproof blanket, and then also this blanket is also machine washable, so you are able to throw it in the washing machine anytime that it starts getting a little dirty. You could go ahead and place it inside the washing machine. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let's see how Millie likes it. There, she immediately laid down. As you could see, that's the perfect size for my dog. You could simply lay it on top of a couch. It is super comfy, perfect for your small or medium-sized dog. Belly rub moment. Put some water on here just to show that it is waterproof. Look at that. And just like that. So if you're looking for a new pet blanket for your dog, definitely check this one out. I highly recommend. Take a look at all the different colors that they have available.